Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei Honor 20 Lite. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, click on Continue and tap Allow. Now we have to wait for the other app. You want to go with Receive on Huawei and Send on an Android. Normally you need to tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files. But I will only select one file, for example this video, click Send and tap Got it. From there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will click on the scanning icon on Huawei, tap Allow and scan the code because it's faster. My file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, select Videos in my case, and as you can see, Send Anyone Further is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!